Hey, it's Dino here from Gardeners HQ. Let's take a look at how to grow Narrowleaf Zinnia. This flower makes a vibrant and easy to grow addition to any garden. Known scientifically as Zinnia angustifolia, this North American native is cherished for its daisy-like blooms in colours such as white, red, orange, yellow and pink. The thin-leaved foliage provides an attractive background for the flowers. Reaching 18 to 30 inches in height and having a spread of about 12 to 24 inches, it makes an ideal ground cover or border plant. Narrowleaf Zinnias thrive in full sunlight. They prefer a location that gets morning sun, especially during hot days. They are drought tolerant, but weekly watering keeps them looking their best. Cultivation is straightforward. Grow them from seed directly in the ground in autumn or sow indoors in late winter. Regular fertilisation using a high phosphorus food encourages more blooms that will last longer. Remarkably, they bloom from spring until the frost, and in frost-free climates even longer, resistant to common plant problems like powdery mildew and fungal leaf spots. Narrowleaf zinnias are a low-maintenance plant. They also attract butterflies, making them excellent for pollinator gardens. Rated as a half-hardy annual H3 by the RHS, they are hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11. Narrowleaf zinnias are perfect for beginner gardeners, providing easy cultivation and great adaptability. Their forgiving nature allows new gardeners to learn and experiment while enjoying the beauty and rewards of growing these charming flowers.